Have you ever dreamed of writing and publishing your own book? Today, that dream is closer than you think. Welcome to the world of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. This is Amazon's platform that lets anyone, just like you, publish books for free. You don't need a traditional publisher or a fancy agent to get started. All you need is a story to tell or an idea to share. You can put your book on the world's biggest online bookstore. It is a wonderful opportunity for new authors. Amazon KDP is a print-on-demand service. This might sound complicated, but it is actually very simple and powerful. It means your book is only printed after someone buys it. You do not need to order hundreds of copies and store them in your garage. There is no inventory to manage and no upfront printing cost. When a customer clicks buy, Amazon prints a fresh copy of your book and ships it directly to them. They also handle all the customer service, which leaves you free to focus on creating. This model is incredibly friendly for beginners. You get instant access to Amazon's massive global audience of millions of readers who are already searching for new books to read. A big question on every new author's mind is about money. How much can you actually make with Amazon KDP? The truth is, the potential earnings can vary widely. Some authors make a few $100s a month, a wonderful side income. Others build a full-time career from their books, earning thousands or even tens of thousands a month. Your success depends on the types of books you create, how well you market them, and your willingness to learn and grow as a publisher. Simple journals, planners can make over $1,000 a month from a single successful book. Imagine a funny niche journal turned popular gift. Consistent daily sales. Non-fiction authors on personal finance and health. A well-researched book that solves a problem can earn $15K, $20K per month from paperback sales alone. That's before counting ebook and audiobook income. These numbers aren't just for a select few. Many ordinary people have achieved similar results. Students in coaching programs share stories from solid side hustles to life-changing income. The potential is there. Unlock it with hard work and smart decisions. On Amazon KDP, you can create many kinds of books. To make it simple, we can group them into three main categories: low content, medium content, high content. Understanding these types will help you decide where to start. Low content books are the easiest to create. Journals, planners, logbooks, notebooks with blank or lined pages. The main work is an eye-catching cover and finding a good niche. Easy to make, often for free using tools like Canva. The competition is very high. Next, medium content books. More content inside, more effort to create. Coloring books, activity books, puzzle books, word searches, crossword storybooks for children. Less competition than low content. More value to readers. Charge higher price, earn more per sale. Finally, high content books. Traditional books. Fiction novels, non-fiction guides, memoirs, detailed workbooks. They are filled with text and sometimes images. Most difficult and time-consuming. You can write it yourself or hire a ghostwriter, which can cost a few hundred to over $1,000, but sometimes earning over $20,000 a month.
Are you my last first kiss? I like your vibe if you're feeling this. Don't give up on all of my hopes just yet. You got me feeling like an addict. So hit me with your good, good love. I'm tired of waiting for it. I know that we can make this good, good love. You got me dreaming of it. I know that we can have a good, good love. I swear I knew it when you reached out for my hand. If you're in this, I'll stand with you to the end. Like the first night that we stayed up till 3 a.m. Oh, you're my last first kiss. I like your vibe if you're feeling this. Won't give up on all of my hopes just yet. You got me feeling like an addict. So hit me with your good, good love. I'm tired of waiting for it. I know that we can I know that we can make this good, good love. Good, good love.
Ready to take the first step? Let's get your KDP account set up. The process is simple and free. First, go to the Amazon KDP website and click to sign up. You will need your personal information: name, address, phone number. Amazon allows only one KDP account per person. If you have ever created an account in the past, even if you did not use it, you must use that one. Creating a second account is against Amazon's rules and can get both accounts closed. Once you have entered your personal details, you will need to provide your banking information. This is how Amazon will pay you your royalties. Bank account number, routing number. Amazon makes payments to authors all over the world. You will also need to complete a short tax interview online. This is a legal requirement, but the on-screen instructions will walk you through every step. After your account is fully set up, it is time for the exciting part: uploading your first book. On your KDP bookshelf, you'll see a plus create button. Click it and choose whether you are creating an ebook, or choose a paperback. You will then be guided through three main tabs: details, content, pricing. In the details tab, enter your book title, author name, a compelling book description. Once you set your price and confirm the details, you can hit the publish button. Once your book is live on Amazon, your next important goal is to get some reviews. Reviews are social proof. They show potential buyers that other people have read and enjoyed your book. Books with reviews are much more likely to sell than books with none. Amazon's algorithm also pays close attention to new books. During the first 30 days, the honeymoon period, Amazon gives your book a little boost in visibility. Getting early reviews tells Amazon your book is worth showing to more people. There are free ways to get those first crucial reviews. One popular method is Facebook groups. You can find groups dedicated to readers in your book's niche. Whether it's cozy mysteries, keto diets, urban gardening, join a few relevant groups and be an active member. Post offering a free digital copy of your book. Label it an advanced reader copy, ARC. Offer it in exchange for an honest review. Many readers will help new authors. Reach out to several people to gather those first honest reviews for free. Publishing your book is a huge achievement, but the work does not stop there. To make sales, you need to help readers find your book. This is where marketing comes in. You cannot just upload your book and hope for the best. The good news is that marketing does not have to be complicated or expensive. There are both free and paid ways to let the world know about your work. Free ways. Paid ways. The key is to be consistent and find what works for you and your book. A powerful free marketing tool today is social media, especially with short-form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. You do not need to be a video expert or even show your face. Many authors have had huge success simply by creating short videos showing their book. You could film a video where you flip through the pages, read a compelling quote from a chapter, or share a prompt from your journal. One author of a guided journal got nearly 70 million views on a simple video, leading to millions in sales. Consistency is more important than production quality. The key to social media marketing is to post regularly. Most of your videos might only get a few hundred views, but every now and then, one might go viral and reach a massive audience. Once you have published your first book and it starts making some money, you can begin to think bigger. How do you go from earning a few dollars to building a real publishing business? The key is to scale up your operations. The first rule of scaling is to reinvest your profits. When you start making a couple of $100s a month, resist the temptation to spend it. Instead, use that money to create your next book. This creates a snowball effect. The more books you publish, the more income streams you have. As you grow, improve the quality of your books and your marketing. Use your earnings to hire professionals. For example, hire a book cover designer on Fiverr for as little as $10 or $20. A professional cover will make your book look more appealing and lead to more sales. You can also hire someone to format your book's interior, making it look clean and polished. Outsourcing these tasks frees up your time to focus on finding new book ideas. If you are creating high-content books, you can outsource the writing itself. You transition from solo creator to CEO of your own small publishing team. This is the path from a single book to a sustainable, scalable business. As you grow your self-publishing business, you will constantly face a choice. Should you spend your time or your money? In the beginning, you will likely have more time than money. This means you will do most of the work yourself. You will design your own cover, format your own manuscript, and handle all the marketing. However, as your business starts to generate income, you need to start thinking like an entrepreneur and value your time. Ask yourself, what is your time worth? If you make $20 an hour at your day job, but you spend 5 hours trying to design a book cover to save $10, you have effectively lost money. You have spent $100 worth of your time to create a cover that is probably not as good as what a professional designer could make. An entrepreneur understands that it is smarter to pay the $10 and use those 5 hours to research your next best-selling book idea, a task that has a much higher potential return. As you start earning more, you should begin to strategically buy back your time. This means outsourcing tasks that are either time-consuming or that you are not good at. Start with small things. Hire someone on Fiverr to create your book cover. Pay a virtual assistant to help with social media posts. Each task you delegate frees you up to work on the high-level strategy that will truly grow your business. Remember that both time and money are resources to be invested wisely. We have covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what Amazon KDP is, to learning how to scale your publishing business. You now have a clear, step-by-step roadmap to follow. You know about the different types of books you can create, how to set up your account, the importance of getting reviews, marketing your work. The path to self-publishing success is no longer a mystery. It is a series of simple, actionable steps that anyone with determination can take. The opportunity is real, and it is available to you right now. Remember that every successful author started with a single step, publishing their first book. They faced the same doubts and learned the same lessons you will. The difference is that they took action. They did not wait for the perfect idea or the perfect time. They embraced the learning process. They made mistakes, and they kept moving forward. Go and watch the tutorial videos, create your KDP account, start working on your first book. Open a document and start writing. Go and take action now.